On today's topic, we are going to be talking about paying your university fees and applying for scholarships and fundings. With the full support of FK Global Educational Ventures, studying in the UK is a valuable investment in your future. But you will need to understand how and when to pay your fees. You will also love to know what scholarship or funding options are available and how to plan your finances wisely. At FK Global, we guide students step by step on the process. We also help to identify and apply for financial aid and scholarships. Now let's break down how the tuition fees at UK universities look like. 1. Most universities divide tuition fees between international and Hope students. Fees are usually between £13,000 to £25,000 per year, depending on the course, the level of study, the university ranking and location. Now, with tuition fees, we also have payment timelines. Initial deposit is usually between £5,000 to £7,500, and it's after you receive your offer and before receiving your CAS letter. And then your balance is paid in full or in installments after you arrive the UK. FK Global will help explain your tuition structure, deposit deadlines, and total cost estimates. We will also make sure you receive verified payment instructions from your universities to avoid scam and fraud. We are also going to help you in currency conversion and payment platforms. And by doing this, we will also guide you on the safest option while doing the transfer. We are also going to help you apply for the installment options, and we will also make sure the payment receipt is in accordance to the university format and for your visa application. Here are a sample of UK universities that offer scholarships. We have University of Sussex International Scholarship. They usually give £5,000 of tuition. We have the University of Sheffield Merit Scholarships, University of Glasgow Excellent Scholarship, Chevening Scholarships, usually full scholarships for postgraduates, and the Commonwealth Shared Scholarships. Now, FK Global will help you identify scholarships you are eligible for based on nationality, course and level of study, and academic record. We will also help you in filling scholarship forms, writing scholarship essays or personal statements, and also submitting financial need documents if required. We will also make sure you always submit on time and give you the deadlines for each program. And don't forget, we also help you review scholarship application, statements of purpose, and supporting letters to increase your chances of winning. We also give advice on educational loans, scholarships, sponsorships, and other forms of financial support if needed. Now, what happens after your payment and scholarship applications? You will receive a receipt of payment for your deposit. The university may issue you your CAS, which is a required document for your visa application. If you have been awarded a scholarship, the amount will be deducted from your tuition or paid into your account directly. This is an important reminder. Always make sure you pay through university channels. Make sure you keep all payment receipts and bank documents for your visa application. And don't forget, some universities have early deadlines. Some close earlier than others. Take the next step of your UK application with confidence. Let FK Global Educational Ventures help you pay securely, apply for funding, and make your UK dream financially achievable. Schedule a funding and scholarship consultation with us today. You can contact us via WhatsApp or through email or on our social media handles. Make sure
before you go, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram for real stories, helpful tips, and content made for you.